Hey guys, it's Steven here. So we're making a video on how to repair your corrupted Insta360 files. So let's go. Let's proceed. I'm just gonna set it up. So first thing we do is to download the Insta360 app file repair. To make it less distracting for you guys. Search Insta360 file repair and you will be redirected to the insta360.com. We'll just click that and then scroll down. We got here the 360 Studio, it's a 361 firmware, and we got Insta360 file repair. So just click download, and then it will redirect you to the downloads, which we have here. I'll just cancel that since I already have that app, and then just install it like you usually do with your files. And then we have here the Insta360 file repair. Let's open that. So we are redirected to the Insta360 user interface. So all you need to do is just add file and then just add your corrupted videos. Already have mine set here in my desktop as new folder. So usually there's two for each lenses on your Insta360 X3 if you're using Insta360 X3. It is the 00 for the probably the front and then the 10 for the back. So I'll add them both. Control and add. So now that we've added the 00 and 010 .insv video, so we need a reference. It needs a reference for it to work. So you just need to choose a similar video with a similar format. So there are 00 and 010. Okay, wait, let's search for a reference. We got here 187. I already had one. Okay. 86. We got here 00 and 010. And just add them. So now that we have a reference point, also it's 00 and 10. And the corrupted one is 00 and 10. So we'll just hit repair. And then let the Insta360 file repair do its magic. So it usually takes hours for it to fix. Just as you can see, it is already at 1%, but it's gonna take so long. So I'll let you see the finished product. So this was my corrupted video. This one, it has X, meaning you can't open it anymore. Yeah, nothing works when you try to open it. So now it's repaired. Here we are. Okay, gonna ride. Yeah, we can't open it directly. Need to open it through the Insta360 Studio. So I have here my repaired file. As you can see, it is fully repaired. Get corrupted while we were riding the banana boat. Suddenly turned off while it was flying around in the water. So here we go, guys. I managed to recover it fully. The video is around 14 minutes. So I guess that's about it. If this video is helpful for you guys, be sure to help me by subscribing, liking, and subscribing this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye bye.
I-clip na ko no. Ah, i-clip na sir. Okay na.